With the immediate popularity of SimpleSoffit and the ability to have as many as 6 bins in a 12-foot main runner in any combination, whether it's inside or outside, we wanted to offer 4 standard SimpleSoffit products. So what we're offering are L upturns and L downturns. We're going to have 3 L upturns because that's just about the most popular soffit on any project sites. And we want you to be able to just go grab a carton, go out to the job site, click it, and build it and be done and off that job and onto other and better jobs. We're also going to have 1 L downturn, and that's for light coves. So here, let me show you. This is a 2x4 L upturn soffit, and here you may have an acoustical ceiling coming in here or here. These are meant to be spaced 4 feet apart or even 6 feet apart, or if you need to, because of loading considerations, 3 feet apart with 3-foot cross tees on 16-inch centers in between. Very simple to build. Just click it together and you're done. This is a 3x3 soffit. Again, same as the 2x4, but in a 3x3 configuration. This is a 2x2. And this is the L downturn. So say we have a wall right here. We're going to come off the wall with a drywall hard lid, but then we need the backsplash for a light cove because we're going to tie in a drywall grid system below, or maybe even an acoustical system with some axiom front to it. This is the L downturn. Very easy way to build your soffit for any type of light coves that you're building at the perimeter. Hey, in closing, we're doing a major international airport with miles of SimpleSoffit now. There's a lot of the custom-sized products, but there's a lot of standard products as well. So whether you have a project that has a ton of standard L upturns and L downturns, or a mix of custom and standard, keep SimpleSoffit in mind and call your distributor and place an order today.